Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you have Windows 10 and the account can change personalization settings. This prevents permission errors. Once ready, open the Start menu, type Settings, and press Enter. Navigate to Personalization, then select Lock Screen because the Screensaver option is nested under Related Settings. Make sure to proceed now. These steps put you exactly where Windows expects screensaver configuration, so you won't chase the wrong menus later. Once on the lock screen pane, scroll down and click the Screensaver settings link at the bottom. This opens the classic dialog that Windows still uses. Choose a screensaver from the drop-down, then click Settings if that option appears to customize behavior. Set the wait time in minutes so the screensaver triggers when you want, and make sure to toggle on Resume. Display Logon screen if you need session security. This prevents unauthorized access after activation. You finish by clicking Apply and OK, then use Preview to verify the screensaver behaves as expected. This confirms your settings without waiting. If it won't start or changes revert, restart your PC to clear transient issues. If problems continue, make sure power settings aren't disabling display timeout and check group policy or domain restrictions if you're on a managed device. These are common causes. One key troubleshooting tip: log in as an administrator to rule out permission-based restrictions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.